kale. It can actually taste good. Dress it up in my garlicky lemon vinaigrette, add in Parmigiano, and kale equals incredible. Although I can't say I'm a super kale girl, this kale salad changes the game for me. It is so delicious. It's basically a Caesar salad, but with kale. And you can probably guess that we're going to be using a giant amount of kale. I prefer the baby kind, baby kale, 'cause it's a little bit more tender. And what I like to do, this step is not completely necessary, but I like to do this, is just give your kale a nice chop. And that way it tenderizes the kale. How many times am I gonna say kale? And makes it a little bit more elegant. You have to kind of machete chop it. Really get in there, work those muscles. It's a beaut. Sounds like it's a Buick. It's time for the vinaigrette. We're moving on. Lemon first. This is gonna be a nice, bright little dressing. And it's really, really easy to make. Lemon in. Give it a nice squeeze. I have some fresh garlic. You can use garlic if you want, but I like fresh garlic in this. And then a little bit of mustard. And I like the stone ground kind. It's a balance between the grainy mustard and the smooth Dijon mustard. And then a little bit of, I feel like every time I make a video, somebody makes fun of how I say it. So I'm just gonna say it really weird so nobody can make fun of me, or everybody can. A little bit. Wow, it's coming out very slow. A little bit of Tabasco, as my husband just said. Just a tiny bit adds a little bit of that puckeriness. And then anchovy paste. You can use regular anchovies and kind of crush them up, or just anchovy paste makes everything easy. And I know for the people that don't like anchovies, they're gonna go, ooh, that's so gross, but it just adds that little something something. It makes it extra special. Olive oil, EVOO, goes right in. Find my whisk and whisk it together. And believe it or not, we're almost there. Dressing goes in. Get all that goodness on the bottom of your bowl. And we can't have Caesar without cheese. Hello. Parmigiano Reggiano is the best. You can't beat it. And then I have some finely crushed walnuts, finely diced walnuts, finely chopped, whatever you want to call them. You can find them right in the grocery store like that. Add those in, add a little buttery crunch to the mix, and then toss. Oh my, I'm actually drooling. Looks so good. And in fact, it looks so good, I can't even wait to get myself a proper bowl. So we're just gonna go all in because this really is all mine. At the end of the day, I'm eating it all. The dressing is insanity. Tangy, a little crunch from the walnut, the cheese. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. I love kale.